I bought this bike for 150 euros. It has been standing in my shed for 2 years, but that's about to change because in this video we're gonna get it running. I received this bike partially disassembled. That means the previous owner has been digging around already. So first things first, let's check if all the parts are here and what exactly went wrong. A little bit about this bike. This is a 93 Yamaha XV250, also known as a Virago. I checked all the parts and luckily everything is there. I also found the issue rather quickly, a broken exhaust valve. I ordered a new one and lapped it in. For a full video on how to lap valves, check the card here in the corner or the description below. The exhaust valve has been lapped in, but there is still a lot of work to do. The cylinder head has to be reassembled, the carb has to be taken apart, cleaned and reinstalled, and the whole front cylinder has to be put back on the bike. Luckily, my good friend Mauro is on his way to help. And while I wait for Mauro to get here, I am taking off the carb. Luckily, the Virago uses only one carb for both cylinders, so this should be pretty straightforward. And just like that, the carb is off and Mauro is here. First thing on the list is putting the cylinder head back together. I don't own a slide hammer, so we had to improvise to get the rocker arm out. With the rocker arm disassembled, we can install a new valve stem seal, put the new exhaust valve in, and reassemble the valve assembly. While Mauro finishes tightening everything up, I get back to the carb. And before digging in and opening up the carb, I remove all the fuel and vacuum hoses and give the outside of the carb a quick clean. Even though the outside of the carb was pretty grimy, the inside looked pretty spotless. I gave the jets a quick blow through and put the carb back together. The cylinder head has been put back together, the carb is fully cleaned and also back together. Mauro just left because it is getting pretty late, but he will be back tomorrow to help me reassemble the whole front cylinder and hopefully start the bike for the first time. What do you guys think I should do with this bike? Should I just get it running? Or do you guys want to see me fully restore it? Let me know in the comments down below. The cylinder is back on with a fresh base gasket, but before we can install the cylinder head, we have to drill out a broken exhaust stud, breaking a few drill bits in the process. With the exhaust stud removed, we can now install the cylinder head back onto the cylinder, and we're getting very close to finishing up this engine. With the cylinder fully assembled, it's time to get back to the carb. I ordered a new intake manifold because the old one got coated by the previous owner in God knows what to cover up some cracks in the rubber. He must have not known that the manifolds have a metal lining in them. Finally, the bike is back together. I threw in a random battery I had laying around, and for the first time in years, power is going to this bike. The only thing left to do is adding some fuel and seeing if she fires up. After trying for a bit, it was apparent that she didn't want to go. So I sprayed a little bit of carb cleaner directly into the carb, and this did the trick. So we're a couple of days later, we got it running. I'm pushing the bike to the local grocery store parking lot, and we're gonna see how it runs. So we made it, we're gonna test it out. I've only had it running in my shop. I don't know how the brakes work, I don't know how the clutch works. So let's see. I don't even know if it's gonna start up. It's been a few days. Choke on. Okay, let's go. First gear, second gear, okay, it's going through gears very good. It is very smoky. I think it's burning a little bit of oil. Front brake works, it's a bit lackluster. Rear brake works very good. It's riding pretty good. It's a little bit smoky. I don't know if it's smoking when I'm riding, but I think it's burning a little bit of oil. It's running pretty good. Let's do that again. It's fun. It's running good and it's sounding pretty good. For 250 we have a running and riding bike. To me, that's a success. It is burning some oil. We'll take a look at that. If you want to follow this build progress, please subscribe. If you want to see one of my other restoration products, click here.